Here's how you can attach a video in a Gmail on an iPhone. So let me guide you through it. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos and explanations like this one. So of course, the attachment in the Gmail is limited to just 25 megabytes. And I'm not sure if many videos on my phone are actually below 25 megabytes. So if I would want to share or attach a video like that, which is probably larger than that, well, in that case, what I would do is either open it up through the Photos app, tap Share, and from the available apps and options, I would select the Gmail, right, which would technically work. It would take a minute or a while to process that. And in order to attach it, it appears to be attached, but in order to send it over email, it's going to use the Google Drive method. So technically it's going to be uploaded to the cloud, right? And you will see like a link to that particular video. So yeah, as I say, the attachment limit is 25 megabytes. So if you find a video which is smaller than that, it's going to appear like a regular thing, right? It's going to be like a regular attachment below. So yeah, it could be possible, as I say, that you have a video which is going to be attachable. But if not, as I said, if it's larger, then as well, you can use the sharing method and as well click the thing, but then it's going to be shared over the link, right? It will be technically uploaded to your Google Drive and, becomes shareable or accessible by that person that you're sharing it with. So that is how I personally do it. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.